Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out of chess.com application using your mobile device. Logging out of chess.com app is super easy. First of all, open up your chess.com app on your mobile device and then, from the home page, tap on the More button at the bottom right corner. Once you open up the More menu, tap on Settings on the next page. Within the Settings menu, scroll all the way down and then tap on Log Out. Confirm the logging out by tapping on Logout once again, and then you will be redirected to the home page. So, by following these simple steps, you will be able to log out of your chess.com account using mobile device. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Tech for Gamers for more videos. I will be back with more tutorials. Thank you for watching.